We are free flying sunshine at Vista Park, Vista Park, which is gonna be amazing because the Florida hills.
It's a nice way of calling it the dump.
And we will go for the dog beach, the Rio Lake today with my dogs. We have them in the back, and Bono. And we'll also do another day of fun things. It's a summertime, huh? Okay, let's start again.
Alguém nos próximos vídeos a gente troca de óculos pra não ficarem todos com o mesmo.
Quer que troca agora? Quer que troca agora?
Talvez. Todos os outros eu tava com esse azul, né?
Hold on. Everything for
I don't know what she's saying.
I'm telling her to change the glasses.
Oh.
She's
My glasses are
she was
frozen.
using all videos the same glasses.
It's so frozen. It's so frozen. Okay, take it. Beauty time, David.
Wait, Crystal.
It's too early in the morning. My eyes are still closed. All right. So the way we fly sunshine usually is this side here.
Wait,
right?
girl.
But I think we will fly her over there. Well, let's take a look. I want to find a spot that has less people around. Because I don't want her to go messy with people again. You remember the issues, don't you?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Woo, let's fly today. Sunshine! Go, Sunshine! Sunshine! I heard her screaming. There she comes! Sunshine! Come on, girl! Looking for trouble. Did you go? Yeah, did you went look for people? I think she went looking for people. Because that's her trial, that she likes to go dive bomb on people. So, what did you do? What are you doing, Sunshine? You wanna poop? Did you want to dive people? Dive bomb? You're not supposed to dive bomb, Sunshine. So yeah, we tried to avoid this park for the last 3 months. Just because she wants to go follow people in those trials. You know, 80% of the people don't mind. They actually love the fact that you have an exotic bird around in the park. But the 2% that was actually giving me a trouble, I just decided not to do anymore. So, let's see what is gonna happen today. Here we go. You wanna fly? Okay, she's ready to fly. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, sunshine! She just counted with me. 2.
Hey, Claudia. Just dive bombing that guy. Watch, watch, watch. I'd put her away.
I'll put her away. She did?
Mm-hmm.
Peggy sent me a news this last week. Somebody's suing Disney because some bird dive bombed her in Disney World Park and she has some brain injuries. I don't want to be sued. I didn't give any treats for her because you know, she's not biting anybody, she's not attacking anybody. What she wants to do, because she sees people jogging and she really want to follow them and cross them right when they're running. She does that a lot of the time with me when she's free flying. You know, people probably saw me kind of doing this and that. So for her, it's fun. It's a whole game that she's flying around and do that to people. But some people freak out, and I totally understand. Some people is afraid to see a big parrot flying by them in the park when they're not even expecting that. But not everybody it's cool about that, and some people has a really dirty mind and they don't want to miss an opportunity to get some money out of somebody. And just like, hey, maybe we can do something about this bird and get some cash out of it, you know? Really sucks that Sunshine was bummer to go to Vista Park. We really love the park, and I know my birds really enjoy the open area, and I was so happy to see the content of Vicky flying and screaming. So that's really bad. Am I gonna have to think about something else? Maybe, I don't know, get to the park early where you have less people there. Because right now, thinking about the petting that Sunshine is doing, I think she really likes to do this, and I don't think it's something to do with the Vista Park too, because she haven't done that in the other parks and the other locations that we've been flying her. It's just a Vista Park thing, so maybe we're just gonna start looking for new locations, and the adventure just start again in Florida. We're just gonna need to look for more areas and early.
That's gonna be nice, huh?